Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make spinach puree. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, vibrant spinach. Look for dark green leaves without any yellowing. Next, wash the spinach very well under cold running water to remove all dirt. Then, get ready to blanch it by preparing a large pot of boiling water and a bowl of ice water. This quick preparation ensures a bright green and delicious puree. Now, let's blanch our spinach. Carefully place the washed spinach into the boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds, just until it wilts. This quick dip helps retain its vibrant green color. Immediately after, transfer the spinach into the ice bath. This crucial step stops the cooking process. Once cooled, squeeze out as much excess water as possible, aiming for about 1 cup of packed spinach. With your blanched and squeezed spinach ready, it's time to blend. Place the spinach into a high-speed blender or food processor. Add a small amount of liquid, perhaps 1/4 cup of water, vegetable broth, or even milk, to help achieve the perfect consistency. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, ensuring there are no large pieces left. You might need to scrape down the sides once or twice. Your homemade spinach puree is now ready. Transfer it into an airtight container. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or for longer preservation, freeze it in ice cube trays or small portions for several months. This versatile puree is fantastic in soups, adds nutrients to sauces, boosts your smoothies, or makes excellent homemade baby food. Enjoy your healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.